And up next from Canadian Dance Company, this is Circus.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, step right up. Come closer, you won't believe your eyes behind this curtain. Witness something you've never seen before, heard before, tried before. The most amazing show on earth. Do you want to be wildly entertained? Well, they say things aren't always what they seem to be.
Round and round like a horse on a carousel we go. Will I catch up to love? I can never tell. I don't know. Chasing after you is like a fairy tale, but I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel. You must be this tall to ride this ride at the carnival. Oh, come take my hand and run through playland. So high to hide at the carnival. And it's all fun and games till somebody falls in love. But you already bought a ticket and there's no turning back now. This horse is too slow. We're always this close. Almost, almost. We're a freak show. Right when I'm near, it's like you disappear. Where do you go? Stop, did you freak show? Why did you steal my cotton candy heart? You threw it in this damn coin slot.
From Canadian Dance Company, that was Circus.